When it comes to buying landing page software, there are some important things you need to know before making your decision. In this video, we'll cover 12 key points that will help you understand whether this tool is the right fit for you and how it compares to the competition. First up, ease of use is essential. This software is known for its intuitive drag-and-drop editor, making it beginner-friendly compared to others like Unbounce, which has a steeper learning curve. You won't need coding skills to get started, which makes it ideal if you're short on time. Next thing to consider, template selection. This platform offers a variety of pre-built templates, but its collection is smaller compared to competitors like Leadpages, which boasts a more extensive library. While you'll have plenty of options, don't expect to find as much variety. The third thing is customization options. While you can tweak the templates to some degree, the depth of customization might not be as flexible as some of the more complex options out there, like in Stapage. If you need complete control over every element, you might feel limited. Next thing is integrations. Crosstalk provides basic integrations with email marketing platforms, CRMs, and analytics tools. However, compared to something like ClickFunnels, it may lack some of the advanced integrations that users of larger businesses might require. So, if you're managing a large operation with more complex needs, you might run into issues. The fifth thing to think about is mobile responsiveness. While the software automatically optimizes landing pages for mobile, it's worth testing each template to ensure it looks good on all devices. Some competitors like Leadpages tend to have more advanced mobile optimization features. Moving on, let's talk about speed. Crosstalk does a decent job of ensuring your landing pages load quickly, but it's not quite at the level of some premium competitors, such as in Stapage, which is known for its speed and performance. If loading time is crucial to your conversions, this could be a factor to consider. The seventh point is A/B testing. While Crosstalk does offer this feature, it's not as sophisticated as tools like Unbounce, which provide more detailed testing and reporting options. If you're heavily focused on optimization, this might be something you want to take into account. The eighth thing is analytics. Crosstalk provides basic analytics, which is helpful for monitoring page performance. However, competitors like ClickFunnels offer more in-depth analytics and conversion tracking, giving you more insight into what's working and what's not. The ninth point is pricing. Crosstalk offers a competitive pricing plan for smaller businesses, which makes it a solid choice for startups. However, it may become more expensive as your needs grow, especially when you start adding additional features. On the other hand, platforms like Leadpages offer more scalable pricing options that grow with your business. Next thing is customer support. Crosstalk offers live chat and email support, but compared to something like in Stapage, it's not as responsive or readily available. If you require fast and comprehensive support, this could be a drawback. The 11th thing is the learning curve. While Crosstalk is relatively easy to use for beginners, you might find yourself needing to spend more time mastering it compared to other competitors that have more comprehensive onboarding tutorials and resources, like ClickFunnels. Finally, let's talk about scalability. If you're looking to expand and need more advanced features down the line, you might find that this software doesn't have the flexibility you'll need, especially compared to something like Unbounce, which is better equipped for larger, more complex marketing strategies. In conclusion, Crosstalk is a solid landing page tool that works well for smaller businesses and beginners. It's easy to use and affordable, but might lack the advanced features and flexibility of its competitors. If you want to try out a better option, check out our recommended solution, which you can try for free.